In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to reset keyboard shortcuts to default, which means restoring the original shortcut layout provided by Premiere Pro. If you've changed shortcuts manually or imported a custom layout and something feels off, resetting is the easiest way to fix it. Let's begin. Go to the top menu and click on Edit. Then choose Keyboard Shortcuts. The Keyboard Shortcuts window will open. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu that shows your current shortcut preset. Click on that drop-down. Here you'll see options like Adobe Premiere Pro Default and any custom presets you may have created. To reset everything back to default, simply select Adobe Premiere Pro Default from the list. Once selected, click OK. Your keyboard shortcuts are now restored to the original Adobe layout. If you previously saved a custom preset, it will still be available in the drop-down, but the active layout will now be the default one. And that's it. You now know how to reset keyboard shortcuts to default in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.